Discover the safe and effective ways to utilize rosemary. Rosemary, benefits and risks. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal and culinary properties. It is native to the Mediterranean region, but it is now grown all over the world. Benefits: rosemary, a good source of antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect the body from damage. It also contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and neuroprotective properties. Some of the potential benefits of rosemary include improved cognitive function. Rosemary may help improve memory, focus, and concentration. Reduced inflammation. Rosemary may help reduce inflammation, which is linked to a number of chronic diseases. Cancer prevention. Rosemary may help prevent cancer by killing cancer cells and inhibiting tumor growth. Neuroprotection. Rosemary may help protect the brain from damage caused by stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurological conditions. Risks: rosemary, generally safe when consumed in moderation. However, there are some potential risks associated with taking rosemary, including allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to rosemary. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. High blood pressure. Rosemary may increase blood pressure in some people. Liver damage. Rosemary may damage the liver in high doses. How to use a rosemary. Rosemary can be used in a variety of ways, including cooking. Rosemary is a popular herb used in cooking. It can be added to meats, vegetables, and soups. Tea. Rosemary tea can be made by steeping dried rosemary leaves in hot water. Essential oil. Rosemary essential oil can be used for aromatherapy or massage. Conclusion: rosemary is a safe, unhealthy herb that has a number of potential benefits. However, it is important to use it in moderation and to be aware of the potential risks. Here are some tips for using rosemary safely. Start with a small amount and increase gradually to see how your body reacts. Talk to your doctor before taking rosemary if you have any health conditions. Do not use rosemary essential oil if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Discover the herbal remedies that could save your life in the bio.